Hey guys, there I am welcoming you all to my channel. This is Roni Vlogs here and my name is Deepak Kumar and welcome to my another challenge video. In today's episode, we are going to do a challenge of reading all my NCRT books including the Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur which I had by later in my ninth and 10th classes. So 9th, 10th, both Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur we are going to read today. So not only we are going to read it, but also we are going to learning few lessons from it. Means the cell, the tissues, the reproduction, and few more lessons which there are present in the books. So I am doing so because our NDA syllabus includes the following lessons which I have listed and a few more. So I am going to read them from our NCRT and you can all see the time that it's already 9 o'clock. So I am going to complete the whole books, means they are this much thick. One book is this much thick, second one is this much thick. So I when I read it first time in my ninth, so I got a time of 5 hours to complete the cell chapter, but obviously I have read it 5-7 times, so it will be completed sooner. And I am predicting that it should be completed in almost 2 hours one chapter. So we are going to get a fully packed a bag of 12 hours on our shoulders. So I have to complete the chapters in under 12 hours, means it's 9 a.m. of the morning, and I am going to complete the chapters till 9 p.m. of the night. So it's a great challenge. So before starting the challenge, let's talk about the consequences of the challenge and also the profits of the challenge. So the profit is that our ND syllabus includes the chapters of 9th and 10th in it, and also the syllabus which I have seen on YouTube and the study vloggers which I have seen on YouTube, means the teachers and the vloggers all are saying that मतलब जो ND की तैयारी करने वाले बच्चे, they are saying that should complete the 9th and 10th classes NCRTs, but I am going to read a extra, means I am going to read the Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur book. So it contains a lot of information, and of course I have to remember all of that to score good in our exams. And obviously I have the NCRT, means I have the NCRT NDA books, मतलब what was the name of that book? NDA solved papers book. So I will complete it also, but before completing it I am going to read the theory from our Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur. So I am going to finish the chapters today only. So let's start the challenge without any delay. Okay, so before starting the challenge, I have to collect the books from my brother's room, and moreover, I have to keep this laptop on that table so that मतलब उसके ऊपर रखने आएगा ताकि my eyesight don't go there. And the objective is simple. Our laptop should do not reach our eyesight, because if it will be in front of my eyes, I will be having a mood of reading or seeing enemies from the laptop. Here it is, our NDA सोल्व पेपर 2024 से 14, and this is our NCRTs of this class, मतलब 12th class, and the biological chemistry books are here. So 2 are here and the others are here, but I am going to read first the biology books which are मतलब ये वाली, means this biology. So I am going to complete the NCRT biology and chemistry today. 3 books are enough for our challenge, and let's go now to our room slowly but fastly. Okay, I have learned the motto slow and steady wins the race, but I am quite slow. मतलब means I am more slower than the turtle which was in that story, means everybody have learned about that story, and my breasts are. Okay, so before starting the challenge, let's take the Lord's name and then start. I am putting it here because there is no space there, so it may fall if I will put it there. So let's take the Lord's name. Radhe Radhe. Okay, so let me tell you the plan first. My plan is quite simple. I am going to read the biology of this science for 10th class part 3. I am first going to read control and coordination, then heredity and nice. First I am going to read reproduction, heredity and evolution, our environment, and then control and coordination. I have read the chapter several times, so I am not going to face any difficulty in learning them or revising them. Means I am going to revise it. It can be said that I am going to revise it today. My previous classes are going to be revised today because I have a need to revise them. I have to prepare for NDA, and moreover I am saying like this that I am doing so first time, but you can all guys see that I have not done even a little work for my NDA examination, and I am going to fail if I am going to do like this. So let's start the chapter first, how do organisms reproduce. I am going to read it first, then as per the plan I will read the second chapter. Oh guys, as these pages are going on, I am revising the memories of my lost classes. Means the lost classes which I had are time are the memories of that classes are coming in my mind now, and I am remembering the sweet days which we had in 10th and the pressure which we had from home and from the school also. I am revising all that with the chapters. So I was only getting interested in the old memories, so you can say that I am not able to matlab focus on studies. So what you people thought that I will leave the challenge in between and escape the chapters and tell you guys that I have completed it. It's not for you, it's for me. I am going to benefit if I will read it several times, and of course I have completed the first chapter, reproduction, successfully under 2 hours 10 minutes. And also I am not in the comfort zone. I have turned off the AC, and also the fan is a little bit slower than the total times it is, so I have a little bit sweat on my head. And also now I am going to not study the biology, I am going to study the chemistry of my 9th class. I am going to study the first chapter, and look what I found in it. I have found my flamingo book in it in case of 12th, so I have to study the 12th class also, but not today. I am going to study some day else. So also the English is very easy, so I have no need to revise the chapters which ma'am had taught. And also I have a surprise for you all. I have completed successfully the 12th class NTRTs of English and of history. So my syllabus is complete under 1-2 months of English, at least English. So let's study its matter around us pure. It's a boring chapter, I think so. No, not this one. I was saying that it's a boring chapter, matter in our surrounding. It's very simple and also a boring chapter for me. So I am going to study the is matter around us pure. So should I make a summary in front of you guys about the first chapter, matter in our surrounding? I have the memory of this chapter a little bit blurred, but I do have. Oh, it's 2 p.m. of afternoon, and I have successfully completed one chapter from this, one chapter from this, one chapter from this book. So total 3 chapters are completed, and my condition is like this. And of course I have only studied. I didn't notice, yeah, today's weather is quite cold. Okay, so I am going to complete the challenge on my own without the mobile phone because I am scrolling reels in it. It's obvious that if the mobile will be in front of me, I will keep going on scrolling and study a little and scroll more and study little. So I am going to turn it off and then study at least 2 chapters from my biology of 10th class of 10th class in today's day. And moreover I have to go for running at 3, so we are going to stadium today. So I don't have so that much time, so I am going to complete this challenge over here.
Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never